Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley Sade, and y'all, we are about to go get our hair done. I know I told y'all I was not going to get any braids for a while, but it's time. Also, like, I've hit my weight loss goal, so it's time for me to lock in, and I need braids in order to do that. But before we get into this hair appointment, I wanted to give a shout out to Firmoo for sending me a pair of glasses. It was time. I needed a new pair immediately, and these are just so cute. I love how lightweight they are. I love the frame. I love the style. And then y'all, they were super duper affordable. If y'all think they eat now, just you wait until I get these braids. Hold up, let's not even talk about how I ended up having to do my hair myself. That's a different story. But I told y'all these glasses would hit different once my hair is done, and my hair is done regardless. So let's get into it. These are the frames again. So cute. I'm actually about to hit the road to head to DC, and I will be taking these with me. Y'all, these are so affordable. They have so many styles to choose from. Definitely check out their website. I have a code for you guys. Everything will be in the description below. Shout out to Firmoo yet again for sending me these cute glasses.
You know, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you, yeah, I only want your love if it's If you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You smile my these bitches. That's the way I like it. When I'm down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch, no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga, don't hit me back? Chat. Should've ran that nigga, no questions asked. Chat, they chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had a little sad thing, but right now it's just a hold me. Trying to feel good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype, you my favorite coach, compressing